Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. We have some pretty big companies in this video. We have Warner Brothers, Sally's Beauty, Staples, ADT. Some of these jobs are even paying up to $30 an hour. I think I have 7 different jobs for you today, so hopefully a little bit of something for everyone. But real quickly, before we get started, I do just want to ask, I do have a side hustle make money job that I will be reviewing for you sometime this week. But if there's any survey sites or phone apps or anything that you want reviews on, leave that down in the comments below and I will do live test it out reviews. I know a lot of you said you want more of those, so I am going to incorporate that into our daily work from home job leads. But for those of you looking for just corporate full-time work from home jobs, this video is for you. So let's just dive on in. First up, we have the company Warner Brothers. Now they have 3,700 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.6 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a remote operations coordinator. Now, this is going to be a temporary position, but if you can get in, this would be a perfect thing to have on your resume for other full-time permanent positions. But they're basically looking for an operations coordinator to code and process invoices in Aribia, which is a cost management system for all of their hired local crew across their sports properties. So NBA, MLB, NHL, and NCAA. So you're going to do anywhere from 12 to 60 weekly invoices. You're basically going to be entering these invoices into the tracking system, identifying trends for their overall budget. So basically you're managing invoices and books. Now, outside of managing the books, you'll also assist in monthly airline bill coding and reconciliation. Now, one thing about Warner Brothers, they didn't actually list what they're looking for as far as education and experience. Moving right along though, next up we have Staples. They have 14,000 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall rating of 3.3 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a remote chat representative. It says this can be in any location in the United States. Pay is anywhere from $18.52 an hour all the way up to $25.06 an hour. Of course, that's going to be based on your location and experience, but they're basically looking for somebody to manage phone, email, and their online chat workflow. You're going to engage and initiate in conversations with users visiting their website through that live chat, just providing accurate and compelling information for the products and services that Staples uses, guiding these users through the sales process. Now, as far as what's needed, a high school diploma or GED and 1 year of some kind of customer service or sales experience. No college degree is needed. They do prefer somebody who is comfortable working with a computer, specifically Microsoft Excel and Outlook. But if you have some technical skills, next up we have ADT hiring. They have 4,800 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall rating of 3.0 out of 5 stars. They're looking for a remote customer technical support representative. This again is nationwide for the United States. But they're basically looking for somebody to take those inbound phone calls from various alarm system or home automation issues and provide technical assistance and support to the customer. You're going to have to troubleshoot the customer's technical issues and give them any education on how to properly use the products. You will have guided workflows that you can read from, like scripts and all, to help you help the customer step by step through various resolutions. Now, they are looking for somebody who has a high school diploma or GED. No college degree is needed. Somebody who has troubleshooting skills, strong organizational skills, great communication skills, and somebody who can multitask. 1 year of customer service experience is required. And pay for this position starts out at $17 an hour and will reach $20 an hour after your first 180 days of employment. They do also offer a benefit package that includes health benefits, 401k, all the things. But next up, we have U.S. Bank hiring. They have 10,000 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.7 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a claims and dispute specialist. It does say this is remote for the United States. It doesn't look like they have any state restrictions, but they're basically looking for somebody to do claims and disputes intake, review, and disposition of potentially suspicious transactions. So you're going to be looking at these disputes, making sure that the transactions are fraudulent or whatever is being disputed. You're going to research them and then make decisions. So you'll do claims and case processing, risk-based actions, investigative research, things like that. You'll have to document your findings into the system. Now, they are also not requiring a college degree, just a high school diploma or GED and 2 or more years of related work experience. Someone who has great clerical skills, great attention to detail, great organizational skills, and again, can work those Microsoft Office systems. Now, pay for this position is anywhere from $20.63 an hour all the way up to $30.25 an hour. But next up, we have CAS Information System hiring. They have 198 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.7 out of 5 stars. They're looking for a research clerk. Now, this again is full-time for the United States. But they're looking for somebody to basically research utility termination warnings, potential missing bills, and late fees. You're going to analyze the payment history on the account, negotiate and arrange payments with the utility vendors, or execute alternative solutions, making sure that those bills get paid. You'll be responsible for removing client late fees from the account, so you will have to respond to calls received through the hotline. You'll also have to contact utility vendors through telephone to determine the reason and amount of balance due, verify the address and the payment, making sure payments get applied to the correct accounts. Now, they only require a high school diploma or GED 2 and 6 months of customer service telephone experience, someone who has great communication skills, great organizational skills, and someone who can do the basic computer systems, again, like Microsoft Office. Now, unfortunately, this one did not list pay. That'll need to be discussed at the time of the interview. Just a reminder, I don't work for any of these companies. I simply share what I find online. But next up, we have Sally Beauty. They have 3,200 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.1 out of 5 stars. They are looking for an accountant to work remote in the United States. Now, because this is in finance, you will need a bachelor degree in accounting, finance, or some kind of related field, and 1 to 3 years of accounting or finance experience, and someone who can use those Microsoft Office systems, specifically Excel. But if that is you, they're just looking for somebody to perform various account reconciliations, prepare, examine, and analyze their accounting records and financial statements, just preparing all the reporting and financial statements, analyzing the data, and making sure the general ledger is up to date. If you're looking for more front desk reception type work, this next one might be for you. The company is Steno. Now, they only have 38 reviews on Glassdoor, so please always urge you to do your own research on any companies before giving them any personal information. They do have a high employee satisfaction rating, though, of 4.6 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a virtual front desk agent. Now, they're basically looking for somebody to provide accurate and timely information to their callers about Steno's products and services. Some calls might require follow-up emails or follow-up calls to accurately make sure the customer is taken care of. You'll maintain and update their contact list as well, just delivering all administrative support to any various departments as needed. But the main part of this job is going to be answering those incoming phone calls. Now, they are paying anywhere from $20 to $22 an hour. They do offer standard benefit package that includes health, vision, dental, 401k, paid time off. They're looking for somebody who has past experience with customer service, either through phone or email, someone who has a welcoming and warm presence on the phone, and someone who's comfortable using online tools, productivity tools like Google applications or Slack, Zendesk, things like that. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I know a lot of you are looking for part-time jobs. I am out there searching. Don't forget, if you enjoyed this video, let me know by giving it a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.